Single patient CPAP tubing, part number 6072-TMR-SU from MVAP Medical Supplies. The single patient CPAP tubing by AG Industries is a smooth-bore CPAP hose that is lightweight yet sturdy and strong. Unlike other disposable CPAP hoses, the single patient CPAP tubing is flexible with the traditional rubber cuffs found on more expensive CPAP hoses. The low cost allows for using a new hose on each individual patient. But rather than discarding after the titration, the quality hose can be given to the patient to take home and to continue to use with their CPAP therapy. Tubing is a standard 6 foot in length with universal 22mm cuffs that are compatible with most CPAP machines and masks on the market. Single patient CPAP tubing, part number 6072-TMR-SU from MVAP Medical Supplies.